hell was going to.
Hang on, Chris, let's get a video going for you.
I got it.
Dave's got it.
Oh, he's got it. This one, look around.
I don't have any
Pounds for steering.
What do you need?
I need a mountain clip. The aluminum.
Oh, and that's their type.
It looks like a teardrop.
Oh,
Okay.
alright.
Uh-oh.
I got everything but that.
Well, make one out of a zip tie. Use a zip tie for now.
You lose signal?
I'll tell you what, I've got, I know you're using them, you use those bobbers.
We got the antenna outside.
I got one right quick.
So I know down the bank.
Put it that way around the bottom, like that right there. And then take a screwdriver, pull up,
Have the antenna inside and then I do this
take a zip tie, run it through the top like that. Back underneath the bottom. Now we run it down like that. Down south. I just got tired of buying the damn bobbers.
These have been out for over a year now. This is the first
Man,
time.
I thought I had it slowed down enough.
Well, that's why I figured, man, if we would use those to be able to use the bobber, we figure out a way to float the damn cork when it comes undone, and you can always find where you had the rope run by the bobber. Yeah.
Something happened with the steering.
Watch out for that buoy.
Yeah.
Yeah, I see. Good.
No, it spun out real hard and something screwed with the steering wheel.
Ran low like it's full of water.
Yeah.
Yeah.